Hi, did you know that the average cost of a funeral has been rising year over year? Right now, the average cost of a funeral or burial is $10,000. That's right, $10,000. Now, we all know that life has its ways of bringing us some expensive bills. Maybe we can all remember saving up to buy our first car or setting aside money to move into a new home. But did you know that dying would bring about its own financial obligation? Yes, dying is expensive. It's actually the third largest bill our families will experience. Yikes. Now, this bill will usually fall into the hands of the ones we love and care about the most in a time that they'll be overwhelmed with sadness and grief, to say the least. Now, I know this is a hard conversation, but there comes a time that we must plan for this day. We know this day is going to come sooner or later, and we know it's going to be a traumatic and sad time for our loved ones. So, why would we want to add to their pain and grief with the worry of how are they going to pay for this overwhelming cost? Now, most families live on a fixed income, some paycheck to paycheck. This will be a financial burden, to say the least. We're talking about them possibly going into debt or having to start a GoFundMe account or maybe open a new credit card just to pay for these final expenses. Now, this day is definitely not preventable, but it is 100% predictable, and you can plan for it right now. Hi, my name is John Webb, founder of Burial Insurance Carriers. At Burial Insurance Carriers, we specialize in helping you find the absolute best plan of action for your burial needs. The answer is a burial insurance plan. This form of insurance is cost effective and very affordable. Here's an example. Let's say we have a 50-year-old male, non smoker, regular health class takes out our final expense insurance, a whole life insurance, and pays $44.15 a month. In scenario A, death after 10 years of payments, this person would have paid into the plan $4,900. The beneficiary would get $25,000 income tax free to pay for the cost of their final expenses. In scenario B, let's say the person lives longer, death after 30 years of payment. In this example, the person would have paid into the plan $14,715. The beneficiary will get $25,000 income tax free to cover the final expense cost. You more than double your investment, and this is a guaranteed payout. See, life insurance is discounted dollars, sometimes pennies on the dollar, you set aside in the most tax efficient financial vehicle. Not to mention, there are no medical exams required to get the policy started. There's no 2 year waiting period for those that qualify. And regardless of your health, I guarantee that we'll be able to get you approved for coverage. So do the right thing. Protect your family from further pain and worry when you pass on to eternity. Right now, I'd like to personally welcome you to schedule an appointment by clicking the Book Now button and choose a date and time that works best for you. On our appointment, either myself or one of my team members will personally help you find your ideal plan that not only gets your loved ones the coverage they need, but will also find you a plan that fits your budget. So please, do not let another minute slip away without putting together a plan to protect your family. They say life insurance is the gift of love. This plan for some will be the only financial help for your family in a time that they would need all the help that you can give them now. So go ahead and click the Book Now button and confirm your appointment now. Burial Insurance Carriers, providing you the coverage you need at the price you can afford. Our experienced agents are waiting for you now. Go ahead and click that Book Now button, and we will talk to you soon.